Hello there. So today we'll look at this beautiful piece from Titanic. First, let's start with the melody and then we'll look into chords. The melody starts as... So you're going to hammer on from 0 to 2 on the first string. Then play 2 and 6th string open together. Then hammer on to 4. Then on the first string you're going to do 5. Pull off to 4, pull off to 2, pull off to 0. You can also do 5 to 4, then 2 to 0. Then you want to play B chord, the 5 strings except the first, which is 7th fret bar and 9 on the 5th and the 4th and 8 on the 3rd string. So, and you're going to play the first string separately. So, sounds together, it sounds like. So while transitioning, if it takes you time to form the B chord, you can just play the 4th, 3rd, and the 2nd string. And then play the first string. After that, it's... So you're going to pull off from 5 to 4, then play 5th string and the first string open together. And 7 on the 5th, 6 on the 3rd, then 5th string open, and 2 on the 5th and 4 on the 3rd together. So So that's the first line. The second line starts similar. After the B chord, you play... So you want to hammer on from 4 to 7 on the first, then play 9 on the first, with 5th string open. Then 7, then B chord again. So and that is it for the melody. Now let's look at the chords. For the verse, starts off at E. Strumming pattern is down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And first let me kind of sing along just to demonstrate where the chord changes occur. Although my voice is not nice, so kind of bear with me. Sorry about that. Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. So start off at E, then go to B sus4, play 2 on the 5th, 4 on the 3rd and the 4th, and 1st and the 2nd strings open. Then A, then E, B. And for the E and the B, you either do just one downstroke or to add it. But just do one for simplicity. Then that is how I know you. So all the first 3 chords are same, but at the end, instead of EB, we do A and B. And this thing keeps on repeating throughout the verse. So after the verse, let's look at the chorus. Starts at C sharp minor, B, A, B, and kind of repeats. C sharp minor, after A you do G sharp minor, F sharp minor, well, one downstroke each. Then again it's absolutely similar except the ending. So again, C sharp, A, B, And for the go on and on, you end with E, B. So everything else is the same, except the ending at E, B. And there you go. That's the tutorial for My Heart Will Go On. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.